Want to embed a Facebook feed on your website so it updates automatically? A Facebook widget is a simple way to keep your site active, show real updates from your brand, and let visitors see what you're posting right now, without extra work. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use rss.app to turn any Facebook page or group into a reliable RSS feed, and then display it on your website using ready-made widgets. First, open the Facebook page or group you want to add to your website and copy the URL. Next, open rss.app and paste that Facebook URL in. RSS app converts the page into a standardized, consistent RSS feed, which will refresh automatically based on your plan's refresh rate. Click Save to My Feeds. At this point, you can control what content goes on your site. Go to Filters to hide posts without images, include or exclude posts by keyword, or add custom text to the title or description. Next, go to the Widgets section. Here you'll find 7 ready-made widgets. If your Facebook content is image-heavy, use Carousel or Image Board. If you want clear, text-focused updates, News Wall or List works best. If you want to adjust the look and feel further, click Customize. You can change the style of the cards, adjust the font, or add social sharing buttons. Or you can just leave the widget as it is. When you're ready, just copy the embed code. Choose JavaScript if you want the widget to adapt to your site's layout, or iframe if you want a fully self-contained version. Then paste the code into a custom HTML block on your website. And that's it. You plug in a Facebook URL, RSS app turns it into a reliable feed, and you drop in a ready-made widget. No manual updates, no fragile embeds, just copy, paste, and your Facebook content stays in sync automatically. And the same approach works for other platforms too. Anytime you want to pull updates from another social network, blog, or page, you can generate a feed the same way and embed it using the same widgets. Build your feed today at rss.app.